Hey Chloe, I got your email about not having points on this assignment, and I did something weird with my settings. Um, but I don't think that's the problem. Let me show you what happens. When I search for your name, I do see three different, they look like they should be submissions, but there's nothing, these ones. Well, let me first show you this one. It's so weird because it says your name, but then look at what
Gabby, it's nice to meet
it's another student. It says your name right there, but it's another student. So that's odd. And then let's go look at the other two. So anyway, I'm just not sure what to do. Like maybe you could just send me, let's see, view and discussion. It looks like there's no, it looks like you submitted a blank entry. Let's see. Then when I say view and there's nothing there. I don't know. I cannot find your videos. But if you want to just send them to me in an email, why don't we just do it that way and I'll give you the points. Sorry that something got wacky here.